Namaste. 1, 2, 3. Namaste.
Funny boy.
Namaskaram. Yeah.
Baunara.
Today's video is about funny moment. So let's create our funny moment.
Yeah, man. So today is about the top 7 funny moments in cricket ever. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Is your boy my name?
Gabs Gabi TV.
My Rohit Sharma. Virat.
My name is
Virat.
Kohli.
No.
My name is Dhoni.
Dhoni. This is Dhoni.
Kohli.
Cric Gayle, all the way from.
Oh yeah. From
Bro.
West Hindi. From West Hindi. Cric Gayle is from West Hindi.
Yeah, that's why I did like this.
Oh. Cric Gayle from West Hindi.
Alright.
Kohli.
Rohit Sharma from India. This is MS Dhoni. A legend.
America.
Yeah, from America. MS Dhoni from India.
Yeah, we have two.
What? Mention one cricket you know.
Okay, this thing is very small, minor something. Once it comes about cricket, which means people that are playing like this, you have to hold the part.
Let him tell you.
Okay?
What does he know?
The person who will throw the ball like this, if he hit the ball, and if that person he catch the ball, is having 0 point. If the ball passes through the line,
If that person
okay, if he catch it, then this will have 6 points. Oh no! If it goes behind the stadium, you have 6 points. If you catch it, you have 2 points. No, 4.
I will shift the ball to someone.
If you hit the ball and I catch it, what is it?
Oh,
I'm your
yeah,
opponent.
I know you're my opponent. Yeah, that means I lost 2 points. 2 points. 2 or 4 points. There's some
I will shift.
there's some chances, like like it's like betting. Betting. So initially we have 10
You don't know anything about cricket. You know something called wicket in cricket? Wicket dem another tabarra.
You are out.
The wicket kick.
Let me tell you what does it mean by wicket in cricket.
Alright.
Let's say you're the one batting, right?
Alright.
You hit the ball, right? Your ball go up and I catch the ball. You're out.
I'm out.
That is wicket.
Yeah.
But if that ball of yours went outside the
6
ground,
points.
6 points.
Yeah, this is what I'm telling you.
But if again it rolled down, if it hit the ground, no, you will have point. If
2.
like this is the cricket ground, right?
Alright.
If it hit here, this is 4.
4, yeah.
Okay? But
If
if the ball you hit, someone catch it.
2.
You are out.
Wicket.
Oh, wicket.
Out.
Oh, wicket.
This is wicket.
Yeah.
Then how will you go out if there is no wicket? You just keep batting like this, hitting. How will you go out?
I will go out.
When?
If the person catches the ball.
Yeah, this is what I was saying. But
Yeah.
for you tell if someone
No,
catches
he
it too.
didn't get my point. I was trying to.
He don't know anything about cricket.
You are recording everything, so you can check again.
Yeah.
Who will tell you?
Yeah.
So without wasting time, let's check the top 7 funny moments in cricket ever.
All
Don't
right.
forget subscribe, guys.
Like, share, comment.
Let's
Okay.
go. One. Dhoni.
Crazy.
Who's Dhoni?
Top 7 funny moments in cricket. Number 7.
Trying to keep him out.
Sorry.
Sensational. Pakistanis think it's a leading.
Sorry. You won't be able
That's
to
why he's
produce
crying.
it. Yeah, he's crying. Even the referee is confused. He's laughing.
Talk about a
The
generous
ref is
smile.
laughing. What happened? No, he confused the ref. He hit the ball and the ball bounced back. You understand?
He's confused.
He left the ref.
He's mad, he's not okay.
Yeah. Celebration on
Free
free
hit.
hit.
Okay.
Trigo's celebrating.
Tell you what, it's good.
See, that is wicket like this.
No, it's not
See, that
wicket.
thing is wicket.
Alright.
It's wicket, but this guy he thought he hit the ball. That's why he was running that side. He missed the ball. He did not hit.
Heavens above.
He got marked. He's not.
Oh,
He's a bit crazy.
Jadeja.
I reckon bowlers are mad. Fast bowlers. He's going.
She's gonna need to catch the ball. He catches his
See the ball hang here, right?
Down here.
Ah, the ball.
He hit his head. I mean, helmet.
Number 2.
Asilo kama masa kura ne dole bada ya wuce. Ude rum su kura.
Get there, mate. Oh, I thought he was going to go over the
He's alright.
stumps there for a minute.
Oh, he forget where he's at.
This is a fine recovery. He took a nasty blow on.
Happiness is free.
That's right.
Bowled! Hassan Ali strikes again. Boom, he says, and well, he's demolished the furniture and he's also strained his shoulder.
He did like this.
Safraz is trying not to laugh, I think. He's holding that shoulder area.
Spider-Man.
He gave himself.
Want to fly?
That was it, guys.
It's really.
We don't know actually so much about cricket, but we can understand. He just pushed the camera. I don't know if you're seeing us anymore. But that is it, guys. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.
Bomba.